Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into something a little different, the DOVO Straight Razor. Now, this isn't your everyday beauty product. It's a classic grooming tool designed specifically for men who want that ultra-close shave while cutting down on the expense of disposable blades. Since this is a men's product, my husband helped me put it through its paces, so you'll get his honest take alongside mine. The DOVO Straight Razor is a traditional single-blade razor made by a well-known German brand celebrated for quality craftsmanship. It promises the closest shave possible thanks to its sharp precision blade. The unit comes as one razor with a single blade. Simple and straightforward, no fancy features, just the essentials. The design is classic and built to last, with a sturdy handle and a foldable blade for safety and storage. So how did it hold up in actual use? My husband, who has pretty sensitive skin and is always looking for a clean, smooth shave without irritation, gave it a try daily for a couple of weeks. At first, it took some getting used to. Straight razors definitely require more skill and care than modern cartridge or electric shavers. But once he got the technique down, the shave was noticeably closer and cleaner. The blade's sharpness means fewer passes on the skin, which helps reduce razor burn when used properly. Cleaning and maintaining the razor was straightforward, which is important since hygiene is critical with straight razors. One thing to keep in mind is the learning curve. For someone new to straight razors, there's a risk of nicks or cuts if not handled carefully. So this isn't the best pick for beginners without some guidance or practice. Also, while the build quality is solid and feels premium, this razor doesn't include any sharpening tools or strops, which are necessary to maintain the blade's edge. That's an extra expense and effort you should factor in. The pros? It delivers an incredibly close shave, saves money over time compared to disposable cartridges, and offers a timeless, elegant grooming experience. The craftsmanship feels top-notch. The handle is well-balanced and comfortable to hold, making the shave more controlled. Plus, it's eco-friendly, cutting down on plastic waste from disposable blades. On the downside, it's definitely not beginner-friendly, requires regular maintenance, and can be intimidating for those used to convenience-focused grooming tools. Also, the upfront cost is higher than disposable razors, so it might not be worth it if you're not committed to mastering the technique. Is it good value? For men serious about their grooming and who appreciate the ritual of a traditional shave, absolutely yes. The razor's durability and timeless design mean it could last a lifetime with proper care. But if you're looking for something quick and easy with minimal upkeep, a modern cartridge or electric shaver might be more your style. Compared to other straight razors on the market, the DOVO stands out for its German engineering and reputation for quality. While there are cheaper options, they often compromise on blade steel or handle comfort. Here, you're paying for precision and longevity. The packaging is simple but sturdy, and the razor itself feels weighty and reliable in hand. Since it's a manual tool, there's no electronics or moving parts to break down, which adds to its longevity. We haven't needed to contact DOVO customer service, but the brand has a strong reputation for standing behind their products with good support and replacement parts if needed. If the price tag feels steep, some alternatives to consider would be straight razors from brands like Parker or Feather, which offer quality blades but at slightly lower price points. However, the DOVO's craftsmanship and finish are often rated higher by enthusiasts. So what's the final verdict? The DOVO Straight Razor is a beautifully crafted, effective grooming tool that delivers the closest shave possible when used correctly. It's perfect for men who appreciate traditional shaving, want to reduce waste, and don't mind investing time in mastering the technique. But if you're a beginner or prefer low-maintenance grooming, this might not be the best fit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find a link to purchase the DOVO Straight Razor in the comments and description box below. If you've already tried it or use a straight razor yourself, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts and tips. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.